Hi everyone, in this video we are going to study about the antigen presentation. So competency is again the same, discuss the antigen presentation. So first of all, what is antigen? Antigen is any substance that has ability to induce immune responses. There might be substances which are foreign but may not be antigen, and so the antigen might be within the body or from the outside the body, that is foreign body. Okay, to present the antigen to the immune cells, we need antigen presenting cells. They process and present antigen to the T cells. So what are the antigen presenting cells? Here are some examples: dendritic cells and the macrophages. You can see the macrophage and the B cells, nothing but B lymphocytes. These are the professional antigen presenting cells, and there are some non-professional antigen presenting cells that not required here. Okay, we will see the steps of the antigen presentation. There are 5 major steps. The step 1 is phagocytosis of the antigen, and the second step is digestion of antigen and formation of the vesicle, and the third step is fusion of vesicles, and the fourth step is binding of peptide fragments with the major histocompatibility complex 2 molecules, and incorporation of the antigen MHC complex into the cell membrane of the antigen presenting cell is the fifth step. Okay, here I want to write full form MHC, major histocompatibility complex. Here is the diagram showing all the 5 steps. One more thing you need to remember, it is very similar to phagocytosis itself. It is modified phagocytosis. Here, when the antigen approaches the antigen presenting cell, there occurs the phagocytosis of the antigen. Antigen is swallowed. Once it is swallowed, forms the phagosome. In phagosome, there occurs the digestion of the antigen by the lysosomes, lysozymal enzymes, and at the same time there will be synthesis of the major histocompatibility complex in another vesicle. In third step, both the vesicles will fuse, and in fourth step the MHC complexes will bind to the antigen, and in fifth step, that is exocytosis, the antigen and the MHC complexes will be incorporated into the cell membrane of the antigen presenting cell. So once these antigen MHC complex is incorporated, this antigen presenting cell will flow through the blood vessels and lymphatics, and there the T cell will come in contact with the antigen presenting cells. T cell have something known as T cell receptor. This will bind to the antigen and MHC complex on the antigen presenting cell, and there occurs the activation of the T cells, which later on mediates the cell mediated immunity. So here you can see the antigen presenting cell will act as a traffic police, where it recognizes the bacteria and presents to the T cell. And this was the end of the video. Thanks for listening.